Welcome. So now we will talk about the WordPress menu items. So very quickly, let's go through them. So this is dashboard where you can see everything related to your activities that we are doing. So here I put there was a post done by the user comment, and then you can see lot of menu items, status of the health of your application. All those things you can see on the dashboard. You can also click on this and it will go away. And if you want to get rid of these options or these widgets, you can click on this on the dashboard, click on this, and you can click here all this, and it will all disappear and you don't have to worry about anything. Perfect. Next tab menu is posts. So in WordPress, everything is a post. Post means blog post. So WordPress was a content management system that was built in mind for writing posts, blog posts. But later on, now WordPress can do much more. You can build any kind of website with WordPress. You can build e-commerce website, learning management website, educational website. You can build real estate websites. You can build membership websites. You can build a company's website, portfolio website, any website that you can think of, you can build in WordPress. But naming convention still remains as post. So here in this section, you can create new posts as we already saw, and you can assign them to different categories. So by clicking add new, you can add different posts, and clicking on categories, you can create new categories, and to those categories you can attach your posts. Similarly, there are tags. Tags are the keywords with which to which you can attach your post. Let's say you have built a website related to rental agency, so you are posting a post regarding a new house for rent, so you can tag it with rent, apartment, house, these kind of keywords. Okay. Next is media. So on WordPress, while creating a new post, we can add many kinds of images, videos, photos, whatever we want. All those comes here. So we can add explicitly certain media files from here, or while creating the post, we will get options to create or add media files, and those will appear here. Perfect. Next is pages. Pages are similar to posts, but post contains data that can change more frequently, dynamic data. And pages are uh, slightly constant in the matter that their data doesn't change so frequently. So if you have to create about us page, contact us page, privacy policy, terms condition page, those kind of you should create pages. But if you have a rental company where you want to post different posts like different apartments for sale or houses for sale or rent, those data will change frequently. So for those kinds, you should create posts. So, but posts and pages are similar. Just pages you should use for more static data. Static data means data which will remain static for a long time, but you can modify their content like similarly like page. So if I click here, this is a sample page. I can modify its data, and I can update it. And if I click here, view page, this page will look like this. But this is different than a post. So similarly, you can create more pages. You can add as many pages as you want in your WordPress website. Next is comments. If there are any blog comments on your posts, it will they appear here. And then we go to appearance. This is one of the most important one. So here we have options like themes. So if I click on this, it will take me to a screen where I already see many themes. So by default, this 2021 theme is active and we have few more themes. And what are themes? Themes are just the layout, styling part of the website. So the same posts and page, they will look different if I apply this theme. They will look different if I apply this theme because the styling and the layout will change with each theme. So WordPress provides some theme, but we can also go and click add new and search for thousands of themes which are available here. Some are free, some are paid. If you know a name, you can search for it. Let's say I search for Astra, so it will come here, Astra theme here. So you can also filter here on this. You can just say for you want a theme for blogging, education, holidays, news website or portfolio website or any kind of website, doesn't matter. You will have lots and lots of themes. See, here we already see it's 4,600 themes. Perfect. So themes, we can activate any theme whenever we want and it will be automatically reflecting on our website. So if I activate this theme, so our website now looks like this. If I go, there are two posts. As soon as I activate this theme, you will see how the layout will change. Let me duplicate this and refresh. So now the website layout has changed with but the same posts are visible here. So if I click here, it shows like this. But if I click here, it is oh now the layout has changed, but earlier it was looking different. So you get the point that theme will change the look and feel of the website, but the content still remains the same. And in the appearance themes option, we can do that. Similarly, we can customize a theme. If I click here, it will open a customizer with which I can right away on the fly change the details. So here itself, I don't have to go to the backend dashboard of WordPress to change anything. Awesome website. Let's say number one. If I publish from here itself, it's already visible here. As soon as I modified it here, it's directly showing me here. So if I publish, this is also final. So I can do a lot of changes from here itself. Theme options, I can change colors of the website. I can say custom color. Let's say I change it to this. If I save it, it's going to modify the page website color. So if you see, these colors have changed. So customization helps us that. So if I click on this, I will be out of the customization. Similarly, we have widgets. Widgets helps us create reusable component on our WordPress. Then we have menus. So we can create menu items and these menu items on the website which are now fixed. We can change like there's only one page here, sample page updated. So if I want to create a new menu and there are many pages and the posts which I want to show on the menu, I can add them and save. So the new menu will automatically appear here. We are going to do that in upcoming videos. Next thing is plugins. So plugins are something that adds new functionality, new logical functionality to the WordPress website. Themes adds the look and feel or the layout kind of functionality to the WordPress website. Plugins add the business functionality or the logical functionality. So we can install any new plugin, activate or deactivate from here. We can do a bulk action from here by selecting checkboxes. We can add new plugins as well by clicking add new. And again, we will have a lot of plugins. There are plugins for all kinds of things, for caching, for making a website fast, uh, for enabling, let's say, forum kind of functionality on your website, like Facebook or those kind of chatting functionality. Everything can be done from here. You just name and search. Let's say if you want to enable quiz functionality. So search for quiz and you will get definitely a quiz based plugin for your website. So there are lots and lots of quiz plugin. So if you want to do poll survey, you have it. If you see this, this is a tutor LMS e-learning plugin. So if you click on this, you can read the details about this, what it provides, screenshots you can see, and based on if you like this, you can install. Some are free, some you have to pay, and some are partially free and partially paid. So plugins adds new functionality to our WordPress website. Then we have users here. So on one WordPress website, there can be many users, and each user has certain access role, which means now the administrator is able to see all these options. But if you don't want, if you want to create certain users whom you want to only give access to add new post or update post, but not a functionality to change the theme or plugin or add modify the users, then you can add a new user and give the new user details, and then you can change the role. So we have subscriber role who can only view the website, contributor, author, editor. These people can modify the content, and administrator can do everything what they can do, but also do user management and plugin and theme changes. So the whole user management can be done from here. Next is, of course, you as a user yourself, you can see your profile and you can update your details whenever you want. Then we have a tools section where we can see, let's say there is a website where you want to import that website data to your WordPress website. So you can use this kind of tool, import. There's similarly export. Let's say from this WordPress website you want to take it. So you can take the theme part by copying this folder here. But then what about the data part which is in the database? So WordPress provides you this tool. You can export the data and you can take it with you. Similarly, website health you can see from here, and there are other export utility tools. Then we have these settings. So in the settings, we have general settings where you can modify the website URLs, website name, website, other things. You can even say whether your website people should be able to register by clicking or not. You can enable and disable that functionality from here. Then we have some settings related to writing posts, like sending emails and those kind of things. Similarly, we have some functionalities related to which will be your home page. You can decide from here because a WordPress website can have many home page, many pages. So which page you want to make it home page, and which page you want to make it as a blog page or the post page, and how many posts you want to show on one screen, on the one screen. After that, it should show a pagination. All that you can control from settings reading section. Then we have discussion. Here also you can do a lot of functionality turning on and off. Media, and then here you can control what will be the image size, width, and those kind of things. Permalinks is something that if you see this, if I open this one, you see it now shows me website like in my own inside my website. This post was done on 2022 January 15th, and then the title of the WordPress or blog post. But if I don't want to see like this, I want to see it in a different way, then I can decide to choose how my post will look like. Now it's default like this. It can be default like this. It can be like this, like this. The best practice is to have post name so that the search engine can see your website and they can basically index your website. So choose this post name and save it. Perfect. And finally some privacy things, and you can from here create your own privacy page and make this as privacy page or use the default one provided by WordPress. And then from here you can collapse the menu or expand the menu. From here you can, this is a shortcut where you can create new post, media, page or user. And this is the page where you can see all the, another shortcut to see all the profile details of the user who is logged in. And here you have some documentation stuff. So more or less these are the important things that you should know about the WordPress backend. So this whole thing that you are seeing here is WordPress backend, which the either the content editor or the administrator or author, content author can see, or a developer can see. And these are, this is the front end. So if I go back, if I refresh now, we change the permalink. So if I click on this, now my WordPress link is like this, no more these kind of things. So this is what we are saying. This is the front end of our website, which the end user will see. And there's also the front end. Let me close some. This is the front end of our website, which the end user sees, and this is the back end, which the administrator or the content editors or the developers see and use in their daily lives. So this was the overview of the WordPress backend. So thank you for watching this video. Let's continue in the next one. Welcome again. So now what we are want to do is, we have seen how what is WordPress and how the backend works and how the front end looks. And we also now know what is a theme and why it is used. So a theme gives a look and feel or the layout to a WordPress website, and a plugin adds the functionality to it. So what we want to do in this course is, we are going to create a new WordPress theme and change the look and feel to use this data and show it the way we want. We are also going to create different types of custom posts. So we have only one type of post here, but we are going to also create our own post type. And the own post type can be courses, products, or portfolio, properties, anything you think can be a new post type. So we what we are going to do is, we are going to go to this website html5up.net, and all you see is static templates here, static HTML and CSS templates. We are going to grab one of the template, which is this, and this is a complete static website with HTML and CSS, and we are going to convert this static nice looking HTML template, responsive HTML template. Responsive means if you check it out it in this in the browser with different devices, it will automatically adapt. So it will look nice. And if I go out of this, it's going to look again good in the desktop view. So it's completely responsive. So we are going to convert this static template into a nice dynamic WordPress theme. And you can go ahead and sell this kind of WordPress theme in different marketplace like Ivanto. So Ivanto, so this is a popular WordPress theme, the marketplace where you can sell WordPress themes, but web templates and many more things. So we are going to create one such dynamic WordPress theme. So you can take any of the templates and do that. I'm going to take one from top. Let me search for it. So let's check which one is that. Yeah, this one. And I'm going to go ahead and download it. So click on download. It's going to download it on your system. close this. So we are using some starter template from this website, but you can yourself create any kind of templates that you want with any technology, like using any frameworks with Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap, and you can convert them into a working nice WordPress theme which will suit your business need. So let's continue in our next videos how we will convert this static template file into nice WordPress managed theme, which we can manage the content from the WordPress backend. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Welcome back. Now we have downloaded our static HTML5 template. Let's go ahead and extract it. So right click on the template and click extract. After that we are going to see some files. It has all kinds of files like how will the with no sidebar, how it will look with left sidebar, right sidebar, and how will the main file look. So if I click on this, so this is how it looks, the main template. But we also have the right sidebar. So if we click on this, so it will look like this. So this is about template. But for now, what we will do is we will just focus on transforming our home page, which looks like this, into a WordPress theme. And for that, we have to go and create some theme files in our Visual Studio Code Editor. So let's do that in the next video. Thank you. I will see you there.